What's up, everyone? All right, so finishing the morning here up $2,342. Not bad. This is going to be a little bit of a short day for me because I got to head to the airport for our conference in Orlando, Florida, which is really exciting. But I'm just glad to be finishing the day in the green, back in the green after 2 back-to-back red days. It's going to make the flight a lot easier. Instead of sitting there thinking about how I lost money again today, I'll be thinking about how I'm starting to turn a new leaf and move back into the green. So feeling good about that. We'll break down all of today's trades in today's midday market recap. All right, everyone, so we're going to break down the trades from today, back in the green, finishing the morning up $2,342.18, which is not bad. I mean, you know, I'll take it. It's not the biggest green day, but it's green, and that's good. I think a lot of you guys will see my days, and, you know, it's like, holy cow, $14,000 in the green. Oh, my God, $11,000 in the red. You know, these are big numbers, but they're really just the result of trading with big size. Anyone can have big numbers like this if you trade with 10,000 shares, right? Look, this is a 10,000 share position. So you know, that's kind of the thing. I mean, if you are a beginner trader, you shouldn't be trading with 10,000 shares. You should probably be trading with only 1,000. And so this would be like a $234 green day with 1,000 shares, which is, you know, totally respectable. That's your $200 a day challenge, the $200 a day goal. So for me, another, you know, pretty big day here in terms of the numbers, but still a little below where I want to be on the month. I'm hoping that I can get myself back up above 40,000 on the month, but I don't know if that'll happen. I'm at 36,000 right now. For some reason, being up 40,000 on the month feels better than 30 anything. Just being in the fours is better to me. Being in the fives would be even better. And so I'm hoping that we have a couple of good days, Wednesday and Thursday. This afternoon, I'm going to fly down to Florida, and I'll be trading for the rest of the week from Orlando, where I see that it's 78 degrees and sunny, which is awesome. And that'll be for our Inner Circle seminar. So our Inner Circle students will be meeting me down there, and Mike will be there, and so will Jeff, and we'll all get together and have a couple days of just studying and mentoring and trading and, you know, just hanging out together. So I'm hoping that we have good opportunities in the market on Wednesday and Thursday, so we have good, you know, good educational opportunities, things that we can really talk about. It would be a bummer if we have 2 really slow days because there just wouldn't be as much to cover. But, you know, not a lot I can do to control that. So just keep my fingers crossed that we have good trades on Wednesday and Thursday, and I'm able to get myself up over 40,000 on the month and have some good trades to walk all of our Inner Circle students through. All right, so anyways, today, 4 names that I traded, 1, 2, 3, 4, total of 5 trades, and green on 4 out of the 5 trades, which is definitely better than the last couple days. Yesterday, I had 2 trades and 2 losers. Boom, boom, done. Day before, 2 trades, 2 losers, boom, boom, done. So today, when I started with a $700 loss on NSPR, I was just like, you know, you got to be kidding me. This is my 5th losing trade in a row. This is getting a little frustrating. I got in on the 1 minute candle at 65, expecting a 1 minute opening range breakout. And instead we dropped down to 45. So I stopped out, lost 10,000 or lost $700 with 10,000 shares. And then I got back in right here on the 1 minute micro pullback at 94. So see that little pullback? That's where I said I'd be comfortable getting in on pullbacks. So I got in, let's see, that was at 89 and 94. I often get in a little early to anticipate those types of breakouts. And then I sold through 310 and the high was 319. I actually held through the high, about 1,000 shares, and then stopped out as it came back down. I thought that maybe if it held above $3, this thing would open up and make a move towards 4, right? As long as it can hold 3, next stop, $4. So I thought I'd hold the 1,000 shares and maybe give it room, but it just didn't happen. So a little bit of a bummer there, but made back. So I lost 700 on the first trade and made back like 620 on the second trade. So net down $79. All right, so whatever, a small loss there. Second trade was ASTC. This one, again, a little bit of a weird issue here. I don't know why these 3 orders, I clicked the buy button and nothing happened. They just kind of instantly, I don't know if there's a way to get more info on that, but they just sort of instantly got rejected for some reason. Maybe I can see up here. What was the time? 32:56. No. That's confirmed rejected. I don't know, but something happened. I'm not sure what it was, but in any case, I used my hotkeys, jumped in it, and that was on the pullback. So this stock popped. It was on our watch list. However, I wasn't sure it was worth trading because this is what the pre-market chart looked like. There really wasn't any volume. There wasn't a lot to look at. So I said, yeah, sure, it looks interesting over 260, but I don't know if it's really going to do anything. The bell rings and it pops straight up to a high of 340. I did not just jump in. I said, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait for the first pullback. It pulls back on this red candle with a high of 325 and a low of 287. And on this candle, as it starts to curl back up, I thought that I would go ahead and jump in. So I jumped in at $3 and added at 315. The high was 340. So we got up to 340 and I sold at 336, 332, and 330, and then stopped out of the rest. I guess it was at 330. I was prepared to add back over 340, but I didn't get the opportunity to add back because it didn't break over this level. So total $2,059.80. Not bad. And this wasn't a massive position size. It was 5,000 shares plus another 1,000. So 6,000 shares, but yeah, 6,000 shares times 35 cents is 10% on this stock and $2,100, $2,059. So not bad. All right, so and then there's the NSPR trade I already showed you. And then we've got Pixie. Little scalp on Pixie. It was on the scanners. I jumped in this on a pullback, although we're only gonna be able to see it on the I'll do a 10-second chart, but just a small little pullback right here as we were under high of day. So this was the pullback. The high was 43. It pulled back, and I jumped in right here as it started to curl up. We hit a high of 56. Didn't hold that level. Stopped out the rest at 37 as it came back down. So $110 on that one. TOPS. This was the last one. I jumped in. Actually, we'll do a 10-second chart on this one also. So on this one, I got in at 78. Let's see. So we had a high right there of 78. It pulled back for a second. And then it started to curl up. The high was 84. So I jumped in at 75, 78, and sold at 80. Ended up just being a small winner, $250. Hit a high of 84, but I was giving it a chance to go for a $3 move, and that just didn't happen. So, kind of a little bit of a slow day. Not the biggest opportunities. The best one was on ASTC, but it didn't hold up. So ASTC was on our watch list pre-market, $2,000 on that. NSPR was on the watch list pre-market, lost 79 on that. And then Tops and Pixie were on the high day Momo scanners. So, a couple little opportunities, 5 trades, 4 winners, $2,000. That's good. I mean, it's not the biggest green day ever, but it starts to get me back in the green after a couple red days in a row. So that makes up most of yesterday's loss, and I'm still down about $12,000 off of all-time highs on the year. So it's probably going to take me a good week to get that back, but that's fine. I'll work on that through the rest of March here and going into April. Today is my 55th trading day of the year, and I'm sitting, let's see, at about $143,000 of profit on the year, which is an average of $2,600 per day. So 143,000 divided by 55 days, 2,600 per day. Not bad. I'm okay with that. Last year I was averaging, let's see, what was it? $1,500 per day. That was over the course of 236 days. So, if I can maintain a $2,000 per day average, a $2,600 per day average, that's going to be a huge improvement over last year. And that's kind of the name of the game, just trying to continue to improve, continue to become a better trader, and hopefully 2018 will be better than 17, right? So that's about it for me today. I got to pack up my stuff and head to Florida, and I'm going to leave my jacket behind. Just going to bring my t-shirt and shorts. All right, so that's it for me, and I'll see you guys first thing tomorrow morning back here in the chat room. All right, see you guys in the morning. If you're still watching, you must have really enjoyed that video. So why not subscribe and get email alerts anytime I upload new content? Remember, when you subscribe, you become a member of the Warrior Trading family.